This talk addresses the ongoing crisis of American democracy, that this crisis of American democracy fundamentally stems from the state level. The states constitutionally control democratic institutions. So to understand trends in American democracy, we have to look to the states themselves. How much do these different indicators, these different variables, move a state's democracy score based in the actual estimates of the model? Now we see some trends, right? We see that there's some variation within states across time, and that some have experienced massive changes in their democratic performance. But how can we theoretically explain it? There's a modest positive relationship between competition within states and democratic performance. Party control of government really does matter.